Every business has a story. It is a story told in numbers. One of the most important chapters is accounts payable. This is simply the money you owe to others, your vendors, your suppliers, the people who provide the goods and services you need to operate. QuickBooks Online, or QBO, helps you keep track of this chapter. It organizes the bills you receive. It records the payments you make. Managing this part of your story well is crucial. It is the foundation of a healthy, sustainable business that can be trusted. To begin, you must know where to find your tools. The reports are located in a logical place within QuickBooks Online. First, look to the menu on the left side of your screen. You will see an option labeled Reports. Click Reports. This opens the Reports Center, your library for business data. In the search bar at the top, type a word like Payables Vendor QBO will instantly show related reports. Select the one you need. Accounts, Payable Aging Summary. Accounts, Payable Aging Detail. Unpaid Bills, Vendor Balance. Summary, Vendor Balance. Detail. This report is your high-level overview. It groups unpaid bills into age-based columns. You will see columns like current 130 days past, due 3160 days past due, and so on. For example, $5,000 due in the next 30 days, $800 more than a month late. This flags bills needing urgent attention. Avoid damaging vendor relationships. Avoid late payment penalties. This one takes the summary a step further. It gives a line-by-line list of every bill and the totals. For each overdue amount, you see the vendor's name, original invoice number, due date, exact amount. Your business is unique. Standard QuickBooks reports are a starting point. Their real power is unlocked when you tailor them to your needs. This is called customization. At the top of any report, you'll see filter options. Date range filter, week, month, quarter. Filter by a single vendor. Filter by a group of vendors. Use filters to answer specific questions without distractions. You can change the report structure. Click the Customize button in the upper right. Customize opens many options. Add or remove columns. Add a due date column to unpaid bills. Remove unneeded columns to clean the view. Save your customized view. Run it again with one click to save time. Sometimes you need the data outside QuickBooks. Preparing a presentation. Your accountant needs a different format. Use QBO's export function. Export to Excel, export to PDF. Using reports is one thing. Trusting them is another. Your reports are only as good as the data you put into the system. Building good habits is essential for accurate AP reporting. The most important habit is consistency. Run your AP aging summary report every single week, perhaps every Monday morning. This regular check-in takes only a few minutes. It prevents surprises. No bill becomes critically overdue without you knowing. It keeps you in control, not reaction. Another critical habit is monthly reconciliation. At month end, your vendors will send statements of invoices owed. Compare that statement to your vendor balance detail report in QuickBooks. Do the numbers match? If yes, you're confident in records. If no, investigate immediately while transactions are fresh. This prevents small errors from snowballing. Common issues still happen. One frequent problem: duplicate bills. A vendor emails an invoice and also sends a mailed copy. Another issue: misclassified expenses coded to the wrong account. New vendors may be missing info, payment terms, due dates. These are normal in a busy office. Fixing them is straightforward. Use QuickBooks tools to find duplicate transactions. Periodically review your vendor list. Merge duplicate vendor profiles. To fix a misclassified expense, open the original bill and change the category. Create a clear process for entering new bills. Ensure whoever enters them checks for a due date, verifies payment terms, assigns the correct expense account. A little front-end discipline saves hours of cleanup on the back end. We have seen that these accounts payable reports in QuickBooks Online are more than just lists of numbers. They are powerful tools for clarity and control. Integrate this into your routine. Use the 5 main reports as your guides: aging summary, aging detail, unpaid bills, vendor balance summary, vendor balance detail. Customize them, export when needed, and adopt best practices with automation. Open QuickBooks Online. Go to Reports and run Accounts Payable Aging Summary today. If this helped, like, subscribe, and share. Download the free AP checklist in the description and start your weekly review now.